Today the tool we're looking at is Landoll 7400 series VT Plus. Vertical tillage has been a hot subject the last few years amongst farmers in North America. What we're looking for is to shoot a vertical profile that leaves an unrestricted area for the roots to penetrate the ground. We developed this tool about 5 years ago. We've had wide success across North America, selling it from virtually every state in the nation. What we've done on this, we're using a very low concavity blade. We're set on a 10-degree angle. Even though it has some similarity to a disc harrow, it is not. What we're trying to accomplish is cutting up the residue, chopping the residue into smaller pieces, mixing dirt with it to start a biological breakdown so that our residue deteriorates, creates soil tilth, which helps water percolate into the soil. It's a very heavy tool. We pull at a lot of speed. We like to see it run in the 8 to 8.5 mile an hour. We use 50-pound cast spools on the front so we don't create any bounce at that type of speed. When these blades are in the ground 2 inches deep, we're a 1/2 inch wide, so we're not putting a lot of steel in the ground to prevent compaction. Things like that. We want to fracture the soil in a vertical line straight down, not leave a change in soil density, so that when the seed sprouts, the root growth grows at a perfect 35-degree angle, and that's where you pick up the most nutrients, get your water resources are below ground. On the rear of the machine, we equip it with a 14-inch diameter reel. These are 7/8-inch rods. This unit is very heavy. We use the same bearing in the reel that we use in our gangs up front. We use a round rod. What we want to accomplish is where we stuff the residue into the ground so it keeps the dirt mixed with it. We start that decaying process a lot quicker in that residue. Also, if you live in areas where wind is a problem, it anchors it better. We don't want any sort of tine or wheel that will shake that residue loose and disturb everything we've done up front by mixing the dirt into. Once again, we run this at a shallow depth of 1 to 2.5 inches, so we're not bringing up a lot of wet dirt. We're also traveling at a pretty good clip at 8 to 8.5 miles an hour, so these do stay clean even in wet conditions.